Pilate therefore said unto him, Art thou a king then? Jesus answered, Thou sayest that I am a king. To this end was I born, and for this cause came I into the world, that I should bear witness unto the truth. Everyone that is of the truth heareth my voice. May God bless you. Amen. Tin pilatan anhena chu lal ini elo atia isuan ni lal kani asin thutak hriatir hi ka pian chan le khovela karon kal chan ani tupo thutakami apiang in kathuan pom thin atia tharau thiang hlim zara thutakami kan ni lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.